There are two things to think about when you offer sacrifices. The first think of God is leftovers as food. The second thing is you can think of it as gift from God. Breakfast Dazun koji siram tamchintu kumcho samta nayo matraji kumcho sambo kindu chubada kumcho samji chalam chubrasho lunch tumba lame sanji rumbochi jaba lame tamchu rumbochi jamba lame gindi rumbochi jamni kuncho salam chubambo tea chaton kolo jiri jobotong jitong karba zombo sanjitong kangla kondru tela tetumba tsemba kirezula chubambo dinner jagar penchi pola katechi pemanchone kalanti trume tadalhunam sembu kanonse Ujiram chela chubambolo